Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. I'm a Nigerian American vlogger that currently vlogs about things Nigeria right now. Today, I came to check out a property that I was supposed to purchase a year or two ago. I just wanted to come and see where it is at and what the design looks like in one of the model houses in just the neighborhood area. So, this is the house. And also look at the quick neighborhood. So they have some bungalows here. And then they have what they call a terrace, which is like an upstairs and downstairs. So like the bedroom upstairs, living room downstairs. And then also they have an apartment complex over there. So they have 3 styles of building: bungalows, terrace, and apartments. But today, I just wanted to specifically go check out the terrace to see what the design looks like on the inside. It's a staged building, but it also gives me an idea of how to design the space. And I want to get you guys' opinion on what you think of the design and what you would change. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Alright guys, so now I am inside. Let's go check out the place. They're keeping this door locked for now, so we had to go through the back door. But for now, let me give you guys a tour of this apartment. It actually looks very well designed. So as you guys can see, this is the living room. I love the sectional couch. Anyways, this is very well nice designed. This is a bookshelf. This is another sitting area. And I love the fact that they have windows throughout this room. So as you guys can see, there's a window here, there's a window there, there's a window there, and there's a window there. And they have this nice TV stand, and the TV is actually propped up against the wall. So I think the living room is cool. One thing that I want to show you guys is the dining area. Look at that. It's beautiful. It looks like it can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in there. So I think that's a good use of a space downstairs. And then they have a guest toilet. Very nice. So now guys, let's go check out the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. You know, gas stove, burners, whatever this is called, microwave. Pretty simple, not too big. But I do love the fact that the window is here, so as you're washing dishes, you can open the door and see outside. So that's cool. All right, and I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's a pantry of some sort, and then storage area here. So let's go check out what upstairs looks like. All right. That's very nice. I love this. So I actually love bookshelves because I have like a lot of books at home. I probably have over 100 books. So I'm always looking for a place that has bookshelves, or I typically have to buy a bookshelf. So I love that this is incorporated into the design of this house. So look at this guys, there's a living room upstairs. So if you have guests and the guests are hanging out downstairs, you can be with your family here. Or if you have kids, the kids can watch TV here, and all of you guys can hang out downstairs. Let's check out the balcony. Wow, this is a nice size with a nice view. Wow, this is cool. It looks like you can see almost the whole neighborhood from here. This is cool. All right. So there's a balcony from the living room upstairs. All right, I just like the finishing touches. Wow, that's an incredible paint right there. It looks like a hoodie. Wow, that's creative. Okay, so let's check out the rooms. So we got 1, 2, and room 3 over there. So this is a smaller room. Looks like it's designed for like a to be a kid room. Very nice design. Whoever designed this place did a fantastic job. And then, and it seems like this is a built-in closet, which you typically don't see in Nigeria. You usually see the closets where they pull in. Or maybe they did put it in. Oh, but it's nice though. All right, and then they have the toilet here. Pretty basic. All right, let's go check out the other room. This is another room here. Not bad, same design, different paint arts, shower, bathroom. So it's not bad. Yeah, they just need doors in the restrooms. Fantastic. Now let's go check out what the master room looks like. Wow, you guys can see this is way bigger. I like that there's a desk here so you can put your computer, do your makeup. There's a mirror. That's really cool. Of course, they have the nightstands in both places. They have this wide all the way. This bed is a little short. I think it needs to be a little bit longer, but it's just for staging and design. But they also have another space here, which I'm guessing this is where the TV goes, potentially. This also another balcony. I just love balconies. Look at that. So these people also have bungalows over there. So you can get standalone bungalows in that area. It's not bad. Very cool. And then you get your parking also down low. Looks like you can park multiple cars. Very nice, quaint neighborhood. The breeze is amazing. All right. So that's that. Now we have the restroom here. It's way bigger than the other ones, but one thing that I would like to see is something, like some sort of door separation from the shower to the toilet. But other than that, they tried. So typically all the houses here are not completely finished yet. This is just a model house to show what the design would look like or what you can do with the space. So I'm just checking it out and I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this. I want to know, what is your favorite thing about this house? What do you like? What do you not like about the design? What would you change? And also, is this something that you would buy? How much would you buy it for? Just give me your comments below. I'm trying to get a feel for like what you guys hate, what you guys like. For me, I love the balconies for sure. I love the touches. But you would have to figure out how to design your own house, of course. I love the windows and the balconies. That's my favorite thing about this apartment. So comment below, let me know what you like, what you dislike. And that's it. And lastly, guys, remember to rise and let your light shine. Peace.